Locked out of your Huawei phone after a reset and staring at that frustrating Google account verification screen? Don't panic, because in this video, I'm going to show you a method that might help you bypass the FRP lock using your computer. This method is intended for those who legitimately own the device but have forgotten their Google account details. Bypassing FRP on a device that isn't yours is unethical and potentially illegal. This method will require ad drivers and Huawei drivers installed on your computer. I will link to where you can find these in the description below. Next, download and install the FRP Bypass Tool that I have linked in the description. Once installed, launch the program. Connect your Huawei device to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure your phone is in fast boot mode by powering the phone off, then holding the volume down button whilst connecting it to your PC. Within the FRP Bypass Tool, locate the option related to removing or bypassing FRP. It might be labeled Remove FRP, Bypass FRP, or something similar. Click on this option. The tool will now begin running ADB commands. Let the software do its thing. This may take a few minutes. Be patient. Once the process is complete, you should see a success message on the tool. Disconnect your phone from your computer now. Restart your phone. Your Huawei phone should now boot up, and you should be able to skip the Google account verification screen. You should now be able to access your phone. Congratulations. Remember that these methods can sometimes have unintended consequences and are not always guaranteed to work. Also, be aware of potential security risks involved in using third-party tools. If this helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. If you got stuck, feel free to ask any questions below.